Hey, it's Ronan, and I've been learning the song Golden from K-pop Demon Hunters for the last few weeks. My kids have watched the movie lots of times. Let me show you how I use the actual song as a learning tool. It's not a complicated song. There are just 4 chords in the song, which you already know. A C major, a G major, a D major, and an E minor. 4 chords for the whole song. Whether you're playing guitar, piano, accordion, violin, if you're able to play notes, you're able to play the song. And again, let me show you how I use the actual song as a backing track, as a practice tool. I'll play it in the background. And let me show you how I'm playing it hand separate. If you have the sheet music, great. You could use it to practice the melody. The first step was I listened to the song tens, if not hundreds of times. My kids are singing it. I'm humming it. The song's being played. I kind of know the progression of the song. I'm going to use the backing track to figure out a bass pattern because the song wasn't written for accordion. So this is both how do I adopt it to my instrument, how do I bring myself into the song, and how do I express it on the accordion. So again, the 4 chords which you need to be able to play: C major, G major, D major, E minor. Don't look down. Same thing with the right hand. C, G, D, E minor. The practice, switching between these chords. Let's give it a try. I'm just going to follow along with the right hand chords. Again, C major, G major, making sure I know when the chords change. Maybe left hand. I'm trying to see what fits. The sustained chords? Sure. Pa, pa. Maybe bigger sound. Maybe both hands. When it works, like a little smile happens. So a few things are happening. I'm exploring with the backing track, not playing over it, making sure my volume is consistent, not playing over the melody, even though I could practice the melody, but I'm seeing what works. Is it this? Ba 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Are there certain chord voicings that work better? Is it that C to G, or is it this? And again, I'm playing under the backing track. Am I playing sustained chord? Am I playing a smaller chord? What's the rhythm? Da 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 ba da 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 ba ba da. Starting to get the hand coordination. To practice the melody, incorrect, Ronan. Correct, right? So how I remember the song wasn't correct. So playing with the actual song, following with the sheet music, ba 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 da 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 da. No, it was ba 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 ba. Right? And then I would play the song with the backing track. Really make sure that I'm on key, that I get all the cues right. Let's give it a try. not sure about the left hand. Down here, too low. So, just an idea of how we use a recorded song as a practice tool. Again, the legato bass was kind of nice, so I might take that away now and say ba 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 ba. Just practice left hand. Try a different sound. Maybe just a lighter bass works. Maybe it's whatever it is, it's exploring with the help of the backing track of the song. Let me know if you have any questions. Look out for the full lesson on Accordion Love and the performance. Thanks.